Hey guys, I'm dropping in to share with you some alley mail. A little unboxing. This came in the mail today. Well, at least I found it in the mail. It may have sat there for a couple of days. I haven't left the house because it's been raining, especially today. And I thought that I would share it with you. So I haven't even opened this yet. I thought we would do it together so that we can all swoon over the products. So I got the kit that we're in July now. So this is the June kit from Ellie Edwards plus the add-ons. So I got these, I think they are fabric hearts. Can you see those? Super cute. There's a bunch of different colors in there. There's a good pile of them too. I'm not sure how many there is, but lots to choose from. And then I also got these fabric phrases as well. And there's a bunch of different phrases in there. Super excited. And now for the actual kit. So because I get these kits a month after the fact, to me it's new product. To everybody else, specifically in the United States, this is old news. So I totally understand if you don't join me in my little video tonight, because I'm sure you have seen it all. I mean, I saw it when the kit was unveiled, but to actually see it in person is something totally different. And let me tell you, I have been waiting on pins and needles for this kit. I love it. The things that I've been seeing, I'm super excited to dive in and create with it. So we have these little squares here. I'm going to open it up. Pardon the noise. I know that it is amplified on the video. In real life, it's not that bad, but it's, I'm sure, awful for some people out there. Cute little 3 boxes. You can open them up if you watched Ellie's video, and so they're like little peekaboo frames. You can pull out the little tab here so that there's a little place to open. Those are super cute. I'm absolutely loving these exclamation points. So much fun. We have the die cut phrase that says unexpected. By the way, this is the unexpected kit from Ellie Edwards, just in case you weren't aware. We also have the acetate phrases, I'm going to call them. I think they're plastic, not acetate, but there are a few different phrases in this little package. Let's open it up and see if I can find it. See what's in here. So I think one of them is surprise, which I have an idea for a layout with that one already, if there is one in there. Yes, so there is go with the flow. Can you see that? If I flip this around, I bet you that'll be a lot easier to see. Ta-da! So go with the flow. There is unplanned. I like that. Once again, if you guys tuned into my last video, oh, I did that on Facebook, I think. Anyways, my last video, my lighting is poor. I know, I'm sorry. I create in a dungeon. This one says surprise. So I'm just doing the best I can, work with what we got, right? So hopefully someday, if we ever get moved, I will have a room that is on a main level. I'm not going to worry about putting that in perfectly just yet. I had the paper in my hands here. There are usually 3 sheets of the pattern paper. They are slightly bigger than your standard 6x8. Once again, I'm sorry for the noise. They're bigger than your standard 6x8. They measure the same size as the page protectors, which are 7 inches by 8¼ inches tall. So you have the freedom to do an out of the page protector layout with these papers, or trim them down so they fit inside a page protector. It's up to you. So there's this pattern. Ooh, and then surprise. Yep, there's totally a story here. I like that. I like the background too. It looks like textured paper, but it's not. It's printed to look like textured paper. And then really fun cup rings in different colors. That's a lot of fun too. So there is those. Of course, there is the journal cards. I'll get back to that in just a minute. We have phrase stickers, which if you followed me for a while, you know I love these. And this is one of the reasons why I actually even started subscribing to the Story Kit, because I wanted more of these. The biggest reason is because I love Ali Edwards products. I love Ali Edwards herself. I think she is so unique and has a really refreshing outlook on life, and that's why I followed her and started subscribing. We have chipboard shapes as well. Embrace the mess of now. Plans change, it just happens. The story, you are the best thing I never planned. Oh, that would be perfect for telling stories of having your kids, maybe a pet, meeting your significant other. No, just no. Oh, out of the blue, and now what? Super duper cute. And then we also have these, I think they're 4 by 8¼ inch pages as well. These can be inserts. They can be used as journal cards. I'll wait to say any more until I've got it out of the packaging. So there's, I think, usually 2 or 3 of these as well. So this one says, whoa, you won't believe this. And then there's spaces for journaling. You could probably even throw pictures in these spaces as well. And then this really fantastic pattern. I love that. And the color too. So there's those. And then, like I said, there is the journal cards. I'm going to grab a pair of scissors to open this up. And then I'll quickly share these with you as well. No, the last video that I did was here because it was another unboxing video. I'm getting a little confused because I did another video in a Facebook group that I'm part of as well. So yes, I'm sorry for the lighting. We'll start with the 4 by 6 inch cards. There's about 6 of those in the package, in the kit. And then, I don't know, there's maybe 10 or 12 3 by 4 inch cards too. So this card says, attempting to make sense of the unexpected. Oh, I really like this card. I'm a huge fan of text at the top of anything, a piece of paper. Quite honestly, I would not add more words to this journal card. I'd probably add some photos down at the bottom. And then in bold it says, well, what do you know? And there's all kinds of phrases on this card too that says like, no kidding, shucks, that's news to me. I did not know that. And then it repeats. There's a bunch of different things. Did you hear? Holy smokes. So there's that one. There is this one that says, it's the unexpected that changes our lives. I really like that watercolor look. I'm really seeing a trend in the watercolor right now because the unboxing that I did yesterday, one of the collections I think that I got had paper like this in it. I love it. Unexpected blessings. And then totally not what I thought was going to happen. I like that too. I would leave this card as is and then maybe put it in a pocket page with a photo up at the top and then journaling and then just leave that as it was. Love it just the way it looks. Last card is better than expected. Bring on the details. That's awesome. So there's those and then the journal cards. By the way, the journal cards are all single-sided as well. They're not printed on both sides. This one says, totally didn't see that coming. Definitely unexpected. What I thought was going to happen and then what actually happened. And then there's space in between for some journaling. No, thank you. Ugh, that's not what I was expecting. I like that. I love this color. Shocker, here are the details of this story. That's awesome. Well, that was unexpected. I like the giant exclamation point. Plot twist. Whoa, that was seriously unexpected. Wow, repeating. I like that. And then this. And then we're back to the beginning. So there must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I was a little bit off. There's 8 journal, 3x4 journal cards, and then 6 4x6 inch journal cards. But that is the unboxing for the Unexpected Story Kit. To me, it is new, like I was saying earlier. For the majority of everybody else, this kit would now be Story Kit Crush. So I will be using the hashtag Story Kit Crush to create all of these layouts because I'm a month late. But that's just because of locale, where I'm located and the amount of time that it takes to get to me. So I hope you were inspired by this kit. If you have not subscribed to Ali Edwards' story kits or any of her kits, I highly recommend it. I started off with the scrapbooking kit last year when it first came out and really enjoyed it, but then found that I wanted to start working with a smaller canvas, i.e. 6x8 scrapbooking album. So I switched from the scrapbooking kit to the story kits, and I'm absolutely loving the quality of stories that I'm telling with the kit, using a word as my starting point rather than just telling your mundane, for me at least anyways, everyday run-of-the-mill same old story. I'm looking to get more out of my scrapbooking, and I think these kits are the perfect way to do that. So I will leave links in the description box down below for you to find Ali Edwards online. Definitely check her out if you have never done that. I highly recommend that you do that. And then look up Ali Edwards on Instagram as well if you're on Instagram. And I'll leave the link to Instagram down below as well. Seriously, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining me, friends, and I'll be back again soon. Take care.